Wow, I should probably take a time out. Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. We are unbagging my paid for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. A lot of thoughts on this particular bag. Anywho, before we jump into the video, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Shonda, and over here, we always embrace the hot mess because it's a drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox, play in makeup, talk about makeup, do all the things with hair care, makeup, beauty, skincare, whatever it may be. And remember, it's not that serious, it washes off. So don't forget to give me a follow over on my second channel, Hot Mess Momma Vlogs, for a lot of curvy girl plus size fashion hauls. I have a sportswear haul coming up, so hopefully I can get this video up to you all tomorrow, which will be like the 30th. My bag just arrived, y'all. So anyways, I do have a plus size curvy girl fashion haul going up over on my vlog channel. This sports bra that y'all see underneath my cute little tord top, I'll have linked down below for y'all. Anyways, let's go ahead. I'm all over the place. Let's jump on in. Wait real quick, guys, before we jump into the unbagging, because I am Queen ADHD Gemini Ramblefest over here. Can I just let you all know how close we are to that 10K over on Instagram? Let me just show you. We are at 99.14 in case you all are curious. We are so close to that goal. So if y'all would, if you don't mind, could you give me a follow over on Instagram at hotmessmama4. I'm gonna pop up a QR code, and if you're not watching me on your phone, you're watching me on your iPad, your TV, whatever it may be, just run your phone over the QR code and it'll take you right over to my Instagram. If you are watching me on your phone, I will have a link down below, or you can just search for me at hotmessmama, MOMMA4, and give me a follow. We are so close, and y'all know I have been nagging for like a year now. So, and everybody always asks me what's the big deal. I can just do a swipey uppy. So if I link a video or whatever, I can just say swipe up and I can be like part of the cool kids. Okay, anyhow, I know somebody's gonna be in the comment section, unboxing doesn't start until the 3-minute mark. Yes, thank you, thank you. Sometimes I tell you all when it starts, otherwise I just wait for, you know, somebody to make that comment. Anyways, I digress. I am feeling sassy. I mean, we're about 3 days before the period starts, y'all, so like pray for my family. That's where I'm at in life. Anyways, this is my paid for $25 Glam Bag Plus by Ipsy. I have had issues out the wazoo. Sometimes it works for my Ipsy Glam Bag, which is the $12 bag. I can get in there and make my choices. When it comes to the Plus, for whatever reason, I have not been able to get in there and make my choices, which for the Plus, it's $25 a month. You do get to customize 3 out of the 5 things, or if you're me, you customize nothing. Yeah, that's great. Woo, girl, the sass is strong. Lord Jesus, let's pray. I'll tell you what, I may need to apologize before we get into it even more, especially if this bag is not any good. And if you guys are signed up for the Ipsy X, May is going to be the second bag for that. And I tell you what, if I get in there on May 2nd and I try and make my choices and I can't, I was going to say some dirty words, but we'll just say that will not be good for Ipsy. Okay, all right, anyhow. Wow, I should probably take a time out. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like. It does come in a drawstring bag, or drawstring bag, however you say it, like so. I'm sure, once again, somebody will be in that comment section making fun of my lingo. Okay, anyhow. All right, let's get into this. So we do have a card in here, and it says April 2021, Force of Nature, and then 5 skin-friendly foods. Not anything to do with the products in your bag. Whatever, you know, it is what it is. So the first item in here, which again, I did not pick for myself. Ipsy chose all 5 for me because of the app. Yes, I have tried to get it to get fixed. I have deleted it. I have done all the things. However, the one thing I haven't done, one of y'all did comment and say, try and log in with Facebook. So that's going to be my next option. So I'm gonna try that today just to ensure for my May 2nd. So the first item is item Overdue Extra Intensive Moisturizer for dry skin. I personally do like when I receive things like this because my youngest has really dry skin. Both, actually, Haley and her both, which, by the way, we will come back and do a mother versus daughter when Haley has time. Girl is working full time. She's doing all the things. She's a busy bee. I've told you all that. So we will be back when we can to do our mother versus daughter, Ipsy versus Ipsy. But both of them have very dry skin. I'd say my youngest a bit more drier than Haley's. So I'm going to have her try this out. My skin is pretty normal to dry, but when I get products like this, I just automatically have my youngest trying first because I feel like she needs it more than I do. So unfortunately, if I could get my app to work, I could tell you maybe what the prices are. It's like, drum roll please. Oops, it did it again. It did not work. I have no rhythm and I have no singing voice. Okay, whatever. It is what it is. So this is a price that I'm not for sure of, and let's move on to the next. The next is a set of brushes, and I don't know this, it's Bean something. I don't know this brush brand. See it right there? It's not because I can't read cursive. I can. I just don't know how to say it. So there's that. You know what? I should probably not even be putting myself on the internet today. The brushes, they look cute. Let's touch them. Oh, they're really nice, actually. Ooh, okay, so you guys know we always say, Haley and I both always say, like, this is how we grew our brush collection is from subscription bags. So this looks pretty, these look really nice, actually. Yeah, I mean, and they feel really nice. Sidetracked with the weather. Oh my goodness. You know what? My videos, if y'all are new here, we are not about, like, a whole production. We're like sit back, chit chat, chill, not very professional over here. So little sassy PMS kicks. We are embracing the hot mess. So there's that. So this is a set of 5 brushes, and it actually, they do look very nice. They feel very nice. So I am not going to be upset about that. The next item is by Pixi. This is a Clarity Concentrate. Pixi is sold in Target. Now, when you fill out your Ipsy profile, you can put in there if you're okay to receive drugstore brands or if you want more of the high-end things. So to be honest with you all, when I go into mine, I click only the high-end things. So this is a high-end product, say at Target or at Pixi's website. So I do get a little like when I see products like this from the drugstore, because I know in my profile that is not what I've clicked on. So I know Pixi is a good brand, but again, for me, I like to see like the higher end things. Does anybody else do that? Because I feel like for me, honestly, if I'm gonna go to Target, I could purchase this and everything, but if I get, say, for example, this like pharmacy eye cream, I'm gonna be a little bit more hesitant to spend that, like, what is it, 30 some dollars, versus this, like, what is it, probably, maybe if I had to guess, $20 serum. You know what I mean? Maybe it's just I have an attitude right now, so there's that. The next item is by Akar Skin Pure Lip Restoration, and I think this, I'm assuming, is like a lip balm, and the lid is actually, do you guys hear that? It's not screwed on all the way. It's not been touched, so that's good. I don't smell anything. Oh, it does feel nice and like very hydrating, balmy, kind of emollient. So I like that. That's nice. I can always use things like that. So again, sorry y'all, not sure on the price. The app doesn't want to work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the last item, this is pretty. This is by Lauren Conrad, and this is the lip gloss. I really like this color. I love lip glosses. I've actually never tried the Lauren Conrad line out. I think it's at Kohl's, right? Oh, that's a pretty color. Yeah, this is definitely my shade. So they listened to my profile there. So that's nice. I don't really... Okay, so it does have a little bit of a scent. I don't really know. It's more of like just like a makeup scent, but it reminds me of a lip gloss that my mom had back in like the 80s, 90s. It actually feels like that too. Wow, I love like old memories like that. And it was so funny. I'm gonna tangent because that's what I do here. But it was my favorite lip gloss to get into of my mom's. It was like, and it's funny because here I am like queen of scared of color. I like neutrals, but it was like this burgundy cranberry gloss, and it was really thick, like what this feels like. But when you put it on, it was more of like that popsicle kiss. Did y'all ever have like that one product in your mom's makeup bag or in your grandmother's makeup bag that it was just like, it was your favorite? And it's just funny to look back because my grandmother had one and it was like a frosted pink, and she was a Gemini too, so it totally makes sense. But a frosted pink lipstick, which again, I wouldn't wear it to this day, but man, that was my favorite, to go into her makeup bag and pull those out. Woo! Look at me getting in all my feels. So anyways, that was my last product. I feel like I was not very friendly on this unboxing. You know, I don't think it was horrible. These brushes do feel very promising. I do, again, like these kind of lip balm, you know, conditioners. This, perfect color. Love that it's a lip gloss. So 3 out of the 5 things. Okay, if honestly, I don't even know what choice was, but I can tell you if this was a choice or this was a choice, I would have picked this because of my daughter, but this one, no. You know, I just really like, okay, you guys ready for this? I say it all the time. Boxy made me bougie. All right, so when I get brand, like other subscriptions that I feel like should be at the same level as Boxy, which now they're together, I feel like I want to see the expensive, especially since I clicked it. You know what? Does any of this make sense? I don't really know. Anyways, okay, I think that's all for today's video. I don't feel like I was a very friendly, positive person, but PMS will whip your butt. But anyways, overall, for $25, if you look at it like that, did I get my $25 worth? Yes. And again, that's something I have to keep in mind when it comes to a subscription. You kind of get what you get, and you shouldn't throw a fit, even though here I am throwing a little temper tantrum. Yeah, not my favorite bag at all. I don't know if Haley was able to make her choices. I need to double check with her. I'm sure she told me and my brain is mush. So anyways, there's that. Anyways, don't forget to check me out over on my vlog channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs. I promise we are much more positive over there. I'm having an off day, y'all, but can we just say, I did a sunless tanner, which you guys have seen, like how I jacked up my hands, which they look so much better. They've faded a lot, but that Isle of Paradise, I am still absolutely loving that. I'll have it linked and listed down below. I used the dark tanning mousse, and this has been on for a good week, I would say. I haven't touched it up or anything. I did screw it up because I did put one of those patches on, so it's kind of janky there, but whatever. As far as my top, it is from Tarte, and then my sports bra that I do have on is from Yvette Sports. So I'll have all of that linked and listed down below. Perfect example of Boxy made me bougie. This palette was in my $25 BoxyCharm paid for box, and I have not put it down. There's been 3 palettes I've rotated all month long, and this has now become one of those 3. All right, friends, I am hopping off for now. My apologies if you thought I was a little too sassy. It is what it is. So until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.